Etoro or XTB? Which is better in 2026? Both are popular trading platforms, but they're built for very different types of investors and traders. Picking the wrong one could mean higher fees, fewer tools, or a trading style that doesn't fit how you actually invest. First, let's talk about eToro. eToro is known for its beginner-friendly interface and social trading features. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs, and even copy experienced traders using CopyTrader. It's designed to make invest simple and accessible, especially for beginners. Now let's look at XTB. It's more focused on serious trading and analysis. It offers forex indices, commodities, stocks, and ETFs, along with powerful charting tools and educational resources. Many active traders prefer XTB because of its advanced platform and execution speed. The biggest difference is style. If you're a beginner who wants an easy platform with copy trading features, eToro is the better choice. If you're an active trader who wants better tools, charts, and deeper market control, XTB is the stronger option. For most beginners, eToro feels easier to start with, while XTB is better for serious traders looking to level up. eToro versus XTB. Now you know which platform fits your trading style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading platforms comparisons just like this.